Hello students, I am Alka Singh, physical education teacher in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. Today I am going to teach you volleyball, rules, regulation and skills. Index: first, introduction; second, history of volleyball; third, history of volleyball in India; fourth, referee hand signals; fifth, location of referee and assistant; sixth, penalty card rules; seventh, volleyball net measurement; eighth, volleyball court measurement; ninth, rotation; 10th, basic skills in volleyball; 11th, basic rules of volleyball. Introduction: volleyball game played by two teams, usually of 6 players on a side, in which the players use their hands to bat a ball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned. To prevent this, a player on the opposing team bats the ball up and toward a teammate before it touches the court surface. That teammate may then volley it back across the net or bat it to a third teammate who volleys it across the net. A team is allowed only 3 touches of the ball before it must be returned over the net. History of volleyball. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan's physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was designed as an indoor sport for businessmen who found the new game of basketball too vigorous. Morgan called that sports mentonate until a professor from Springfield College in Massachusetts noted the volleying nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed in the first edition of the official handbook of the Athletics League of the Young Men's Christian Associations of North America 1897. The game soon proved to have wide appeal for both sexes in schools' playgrounds, the armed forces and other organizations in the United States, and it was subsequently introduced to other countries. History of volleyball in India. Though it was informally played for a long time, the first interstate volleyball championships were held by the Indian Olympic Association IOA in 1936 in pre-independent India. The sports gained proper structure with the formation of the Volleyball Federation of India VFI in 1951, and the erstwhile interstate tournament evolved into the Senior National Championships with the first edition held in 1952. It helped the nation discover several talents who went on to play with great distinction for the Indian volleyball team. Referee hand signals. Every volleyball player should know about different referee hand signal, because referee will give some signals in the match like double contact, fault, catch, attack, etc. You all can have a look on different referee signals over here. First, authorization to serve. Second, team to serve. Third, change of court. Fourth, time out. Fifth, substitution. 6A, misconduct warning. 6B, misconduct penalty. 7th, expulsion. 8th, disqualification. 9th, end of set or match. 10th, ball not touched or released at the service hit. 11th, delay in service. 12th, blocking fault or screening. 13, positional or rotational fault. 14, ball in. 15, ball out. 16, catch. 17, double contact. 18, for hits. 19, net touched by player. 20, reaching beyond the net. 21, attack hit fault. 22. Penetration into the opponent court ball crossing the lower space, or the server touches the court end line, or the player steps outside his or her court at the moment of the service hit. 23. Double fault and replay. Line judges official flag signals. First, ball in. Second, ball out. Third, ball touched. Fourth, crossing space faults, ball touched an outside object or foot fault by any player during service. Fifth, judgment impossible. Location of referee and assistants. First, referee. The first referee in volleyball is positioned on elevated platform at the side of the net opposite to the official table and referee stand. Second referee. The second referee stand on the floor opposite to the first referee and assist in making calls, primarily focusing on the play at the net. Third, scorer. The scorer performs his or her function at the scorer table on the opposite side of the court facing the first referee. Fourth, assistant scorer. The assistant scorer performs his or her function by sitting beside the scorer at scorer table. Fifth, line judges. The line judges stand on opposite corner throughout the entire match. Penalty card rules. Yellow card for warning. Red card for 1 point and service to the other team. Yellow plus red card. In one hand the player can play in the set. He has to leave the court and another player takes his place. Yellow plus red card in separate hands. Player is expelled from the match and can't play anymore. Volleyball net measurement. Pole height 2.55 meter. Net length 9 to 10 meter. Net width 1 meter. Net height for men 2.43 meter and women 2.24 meter. 80 centimeter antenna. Pole to pole distance 11 meter. Each net box is 10 by 10 centimeter and total boxes are 1000. Note: the height of the net may be varied for specific age groups as follows. Age groups: under 16 females 2.24 meter, males 2.24 meter. Under 14 females 2.12 meter, males 2.12 meter. Under 12 females 2 meter, males 2 meter. Volleyball court measurement. Side line 80 meter length. End line 9 meter width. Center line. Center line is marked at the center of the court. Attack line. Attack line means front zone 3 meter from the center line. Back zone 6 meter from the attack line and 9 meter from center line. Rotation. The rotational order is determined by team starting lineup and controlled with the service order and players' position throughout the set. When the receiving team has gained the right to serve, its players rotate one position clockwise. The player in position 2 rotate to position 1 to serve. The player in position 1 rotate to position 6 and the player in position 6 rotate to position 5 and so on. Each player rotates only one time for 1 point after the team gains the point. There shall be 6 players on each side. Team will rotate each team they win the serve. Players shall rotate in clockwise manner. Let's see how to rotate. Position number 1 moving to area 6 and position number 6 moving to area 5 and position number 5 moving to area 4, position number 4 moving to area 3 and position number 3 moving to area 2, and last position number 2 moving to area 1. Each player rotate only one time for only 1 point after team gains the point. Basic rules in volleyball. 6 basic skills in volleyball. The 6 basic volleyball skills are: first passing, second blocking, third spiking, fourth serving, fifth digging, sixth setting. Passing. Passing is often thought of as the most important skill in volleyball. If you can't pass the serve, then you won't ever put your team in a position to score a point. Blocking. Blocking is perhaps the least taught skill in volleyball. Players can get away with poor blocking skills because not blocking isn't going to hurt the team as much as being poor at executing other skills in volleyball. Serving. The importance of serving is often undervalued. Many coaches don't teach players to serve aggressive and use this opportunity to give the team an advantage for scoring points. Digging. Digging is another skill that isn't focused on quite as much as most skills in volleyball. Seating. The setter position is considered to be the most important position in volleyball. The setter basically runs the team offense. Basic rules of volleyball. 6 players on the floor at any one time. 3 in the front. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of a player's row, and 3 in the back row. Points are made on every serve for winning team of rally. Rally point scoring. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on a serve. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of a player's body. It is illegal to catch, hold or throw the ball. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on or inside the 10-foot line. Thank you so much. Take care. Students, stay home, stay safe.